Hi guys, my name is Adele and today I'm gonna show you a step by step on how to draw an eye. I will be giving away this drawing or my previous drawing. If you want a chance to win, just find my Facebook page and share this video. So every drawing starts with a lay-in. This base is usually linear and is focused on proportions and shape design. You want to make sure that the major shape are on the right side and the right place before you start adding details. Most of the time my linear process start with the biggest shape and then start breaking it up into small pieces until I'm satisfied instead of drawing all the pieces individually. Most of people wanna jump ahead and start drawing details. If you are advanced, you can do whatever you want. Otherwise, I suggest simplify the process. I will try to explain that more in my next videos. By the way, if you want me to draw your portrait and you haven't sent me your picture yet, you still have time. I pick the winner next week.
Teacher always told me never to be naughty, don't mess around with boys like you. Mama always told me, Papa always warned me, don't hang around with boys like you. Teacher always told me never.
If you like this video, your friends might too. Please help me out and share this video on your favorite social network. And please don't forget to subscribe.